Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English Chat. I am Louie, and I am so happy to see you here again. Today, we are going to talk about something very important. We are going to talk about a simple daily English habit. It is a habit that helps you speak more easily, more naturally, and most importantly, with more confidence. Before we start, I want you to take a deep breath. This is not a difficult lesson. You do not need a pen. You do not need a notebook. You only need to listen, relax, and think. You can listen while you are walking. You can listen while you are cleaning your house. You can even listen while you are relaxing in bed. If English sometimes feels heavy or if you feel stressed when you try to speak, this episode is exactly what you need. We are going to slow things down. We will keep everything simple. All right, let's begin with a simple question. Why do so many people practice English every day, but they still cannot speak easily? It is a very confusing problem, isn't it? You study, you learn words, you watch videos, but when you open your mouth, the words do not come. The answer is simple. Most English practice does not look like real English. Many learners practice in small, separate pieces. On Monday, they learn 10 new words. On Tuesday, they study a grammar rule. On Wednesday, they watch a movie. These things are not bad, but they are not connected. Think about a car. A car has many parts: wheels, an engine, a steering wheel. If those parts are in different rooms, the car cannot drive. Real English is the same. In real life, listening, speaking, and thinking happen at the same time. They are connected. Another problem is the change trap. Many learners change their materials every day. They try a new app, then a new book, then a new YouTube channel. It feels interesting, but your brain is actually suffering. Your brain needs repetition. Repetition is not boring for your brain. It is safe. When you hear the same sounds many times, your brain relaxes. It says, "Oh, I know this sound. I don't have to work so hard." When your brain relaxes, you start to understand faster. And when you understand faster, you speak faster. Now, let me explain the daily English fluency habit that actually works. It has 4 simple steps. Step 1. Choose your audio. Find one short piece of English. It should be only 3 to 5 minutes long. Most importantly, it should be easy English. You should understand about 70 to 80% of the words. If it is too difficult, you will feel tired and you will stop. Step 2. The passive listen. On the first day, just listen. Do not try to memorize. Do not write. Just listen and notice the voice. Notice the rhythm. How does the speaker say, "Hello"? How do they end the sentence? Just get familiar with the sound. Step 3. The reading connection. On the second day, listen and read the text at the same time. This connects the sound of the word to the look of the word. Many students know how a word looks, but they are surprised by how it sounds. This step fixes that problem. Step 4. Shadowing. This is the most important step. Listen to the audio and speak at the same time as the speaker. Do not wait for them to finish. Be their shadow. Follow their speed. Follow their emotion. If the speaker sounds happy, you should sound happy. If they slow down, you slow down. Do not worry about mistakes. In fact, I want you to make mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying. The secret sauce of this habit is that you use the same audio for 5 to 7 days. Yes, the same one. By day 5, you will know the sentences perfectly. You will not be thinking about English anymore. You will just be speaking English. This is not magic, my friends. It is training. It is like going to the gym for your mouth muscles. Many people start a habit with a lot of energy. They feel excited on Monday. They feel okay on Tuesday. But by Friday, they are too busy. The habit disappears. To stop this, make your habit small. 15 minutes is enough. Choose one time, maybe when you are drinking your morning coffee, and make that your English time. When your brain expects English at the same time every day, it becomes a part of who you are. It is not extra work anymore. It is just your life. If you do this for 1 month, I promise you will feel a huge difference. You will feel lighter. You will feel taller when you speak. So here's your task for today. Listen to this episode again tomorrow and the day after that. Speak with me. Use my voice to find your voice. Thank you for being part of Easy English Chat. I believe in you, and I know you can do this. Until next time, keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep speaking. Bye for now.